Please follow the steps. How to install WordPress. First, go to your cPanel and log in. Now scroll down and click WordPress. Now click Install button. Now choose and select the WordPress version. If you want, change the version, otherwise leave the default. Now choose the protocol. If you apply SSL certificate, please select HTTPS, otherwise leave the default. Now choose installation URL. Now remove the WP from in directory. Now provide your site name. Now provide your site description. Now provide your admin login username. Now provide the WordPress admin login password. Now scroll down and click Install button. Please allow some time to complete the install successfully. Congratulations, your WordPress installed successfully. Now click Administrative to auto-redirect login your WordPress dashboard.